Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is going to be my intro for my Rolling Project 10 pan for 2024. So if you want to see what products I'm going to be bringing in, what I'm going to be working on for the month of January, and where they're starting at, well then keep watching. We're going to jump right into it. My name is Marie and I am a beautiful mess. Here on my channel, I like to do a lot of project panning content, eyeshadow content, and really any other kind of makeup content that I can think of. So sit back, relax, and come on a magical makeup journey with me. So like I said, this is going to be my intro to my Rolling Project 10 pan. You might notice that you have seen this makeup look before. You might have seen this shirt before. I am doing some batch filming today to try to get up the last videos of the year that I want to get up. You might also notice some dry skin on my face. We're not going to talk about that. It was not a good makeup day today, but I was not going to let that stop me from filming. So like I said, this is going to be my intro to my 2024 Rolling Project 10 pan. I have chosen 10 new items to pan this year long term for the entire year. So I want to start at the top of the list and work my way down and show them to you. First item on my list is the Sephora Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Cotton. This is something that I'm not a huge fan of. I don't know if you can see through it. I'm about here with it, so I'm about halfway done. And this shade is really too light for me, so really the winter time is the only time that I can use this. So I thought I would throw this into the project and see if I can get this used up. Coming into the project, it is weighing 35.87 grams. Product number 2 is going to be my It Bye Bye Under Eyes Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer in the shade Medium. I have been having a hard time with concealers. This is a very full coverage, very heavy concealer, but it is also the oldest concealer in my collection. So I really want to use this up and get this out. If I can't use it under my under eyes, I am sure that there is some other way that I can use this concealer. So this is rolling into the project because I need to get it out of my collection. It is rolling in, weighing at 12.29 grams. And even though it is one of my older products in my collection, it still performs really, really well. So I want to make sure that I get my usage out of this, my money's worth out of this before it goes bad. If you've watched my 2023 Rolling Project 10 pan finale, you might notice this product. Product number 3 is going to be my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Mattifying Powder in the shade Bright Translucent. Rolling into this project, it is weighing 46.66 grams. And this was in my Rolling Project 10 pan last year. And as you can see, there's not much product left. So I absolutely love this powder. This is the only product that made it into this year's project pan because I really wanted to do a refresh, but I really do love this powder and I really want to get it used up so I can count it as an empty in my collection. Was hoping to get that done in 2023, but definitely will be doing that in 2024. Product number 4 is going to be my Reem Beauty Kohl Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Midnight Black. Rolling into the project, this is weighing 6.47 grams. This is just an average eyeliner, although it is one that I don't like because I find that whereas it does stay on my waterline and when I tightline on my top line, it's very tuggy on my eyes. So I bought it, I want to use it up. I not only took the weight on this, I actually rolled it all the way up and made a marking in my panning journal and realized there wasn't really that much left of this. So unfortunately my camera battery did die, so if the camera's in a different spot, that's the reason why. This is the Reem eyeliner here, so I am going to keep track of how much product is in there. As you can see, there's not a lot of product left, so very deceiving. I am actually glad that I made this so that I can see there's really not a lot in there. So it should be a really quick rollout. Product number 5 is my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is a deluxe size. Coming into the project, this is weighing 10.32 grams. I decided to give myself some gimme products so that I could stay motivated with this project. So I feel like this mascara is almost gone, but I have quickly learned with the mascaras, you think they're almost gone and then, but wait, there's more. I am not a huge fan of this mascara, so hopefully I don't get any more samples of this because, yeah, no, not a fan. And when this rolls out, I will not be repurchasing it. Item number 6, another Give Me product, which is fitting because the name of this is the Benefit Give Me Brow Plus Volumizing Pencil, and I have it in the shade 4. This is how much of the pencil that I have left right here. Rolling into the project, this is weighing 3.05 grams. As you can see, there is not much left. As you can see in my graphic, this is all that is left of the pencil, which I'm assuming that it's gonna get to a point where I can't sharpen it anymore and that there still is gonna be some product left. But if you can't sharpen it, then I guess it's done. I absolutely really do love this brow pencil, but again, decided to give me products so that I could keep myself motivated with this project and, you know, use up makeup because that's what it's all about. Getting use out of your makeup. Product number 7 and the last pencil in this project is my Rare Beauty Kinder Words lip liner in the shade Worthy. I absolutely really love this lip liner. It is very close to my lip color, my natural lip color, so this is great for every day. Rolling into the project, this weighs 6.60 grams, but again, pencils can be deceiving like this because when I rolled it all the way up, as you can see from the middle graphic here, this is all the product that there is. So I am gonna be interested to see how long it actually takes to use up a stick like this. I am on the hunt for affordable, really good lip liners. I believe this was like, you know, a little bit more expensive than NYX lip liners, but I really absolutely love this. So this might be a repurchase. Item number 8 is my Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in the shade Ginger. For those of you that are regulars on the channel, you know that I don't purchase from Tarte anymore, but that I have a lot of Tarte products in my collection and I want to use them up and get them out. Rolling into the project, this is weighing 15.39 grams. This is the kind of one where when you click it up, you can't click it back down again, so there is no telling how much is actually in here. But I'm assuming when I see this start to be clear, then we know. I got this last year and really haven't touched it that much, so I'm interested to see how long it's gonna take to use this up. Item number 9 is an everyday product for me, and I think it's another gimme, but this is my Too Faced Fluff and Hold Laminating Brow Wax. And it feels really, really light, but again, this might be one of those deceiving products that you have no idea how long it's going to last you. I use this every day in my brows. I usually only use one brow wax at a time, and it is the brow wax that I have open right now. Coming into the project, this is weighing 18.33 grams. So like I said, it does feel really light. I still get product on the wand when I pull it out, but granted, it's not as much as it used to be. And when you look down inside, I don't know if you guys will be able to see, but when you look down inside, there doesn't look like there's much left. Absolutely do love this, though I do notice I've been using it for about a month now that it's starting to get white pieces in my brows, which I've heard that this happens with this. So I'm not a fan of that. I know the Benefit 24-hour brow setter doesn't do that, so once I use up all my brow waxes, I might have to go back to that. And the last item is my Too Faced Turn Up the Lights Complexion Enhancing Highlighting Palette, and I have it in the shade Light. This is what it looks like. Now, I told you guys I wasn't doing another eyeshadow palette, but I decided that I bought this last year when I first started getting into makeup because it was on sale. I think it may be discontinued. I can take a look and I'll put it in the description box down below if it is. But this was one of the first pieces of makeup that I bought for myself, and I bought it because I thought it was pretty. It has a glow highlighter in here, which is not that glowy. It has a dazzle highlighter in here, which is very glowy. And then it has a soft focus powder, which I have used as a setting powder in the past and have really loved it. So I want to see how much progress I can make on this. Can I hit pan at anything? Can I finish anything? It is going to be in for the year, and this time next year we'll have those answers. Coming into the project, this weighs a whopping 149.38 grams. And those are my products that I'm going to start off my rolling project 10 pan with. If you're participating in a rolling project 10 pan, what are you guys panning? Put it in the comments down below. I would love to take a look and see how you guys are doing and cheer you on. But that's everything that I have for you today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. You know I always love when you do. Don't forget, if you like what you see, to hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. It lets YouTube know that you like my content and that other people with the same interests as you will like my content too. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.